Today I want to talk to you guys about a situation that's come up in the last couple of weeks that we've had a lot of success with. And that's when someone makes false allegations about you and but you have not yet been arrested. So I guess what I'll first do is I'll talk about the situation that occurred and what we did to handle it, and then we can talk about a bigger picture after that. What we had was an individual who had gotten into an argument with his wife over property. They were getting divorced, and she then turned around and made false allegations to law enforcement that he had assaulted her. And there was what was called a stop and locate, or an ATL, attempt to locate. So it was not a warrant. It was basically that the police had information that they were going to try to talk to him about and to potentially detain him. So in the interim, we got involved in this case. My investigator started interviewing witnesses, went out to the scene. We were able to figure out that there was actually video surveillance, because a lot of stores now have video surveillance of the incident. We took pictures, we talked to individuals, we took statements, we got recordings, and we were able to provide all that information to the detective who was in charge of the case and who was going to be tasked with potentially arresting my client. And after he saw basically the package of information we put together, he decided there was not sufficient information to make an arrest, and he closed the case. My client never got arrested, never went to jail, because they will take you to jail on any type of domestic violence arrest. He never had to go to court, and he walked completely away with it. Now, that's not always going to be true, and it may sometimes mean that you still get arrested. But what if you can get in front of a case and you can basically do an investigation that competes with what the police are doing, you can get a lot of good information to help defend yourself and beat a case, even if you end up getting arrested, or you can beat a case so that you don't actually have to get arrested and end up with even a record of an arrest. If you find out that the police are looking for you or they want to talk to you, I think it's really worthwhile to reach out to an attorney and to try to have them work up the case beforehand and to try to actually get rid of the case before it actually becomes something. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation with me, please contact my office and reach out to me, and I'll be happy to talk to you and explain to you what process we would use to help defeat your case. Thank you.